Hi, this is Wendy Lee from CreativeLeeYours.com and super excited you're joining me. Today I'm going to show you a little sneak peek behind the scenes. I get a lot of questions about my video setup, so let's take a look. So in my craft studio, I have a setup where I've got my video station, and that includes a roller cart. And so this is where I will do my paper crafting demonstration. I've got my light. Here's where my camera goes. I've got a little extra tablet here so I can watch comments as they come through. And then over on the side, I've got a little step stool that ends up being a catch-all as I need to pull products to use them in the demonstration. And then on the other side, you'll see my desktop gets a lot of things piled up on the side here as well, as I'm using them to discard them out of my way as I'm doing my live presentation. So I hope that you enjoyed that quick sneak peek. Thanks. See you soon.